Good morning, both. Good morning to you. Well, Dan, I've got a bit of everything in this forecast. First of all, beautiful Weather Watchers pictures sent in from Elstree in Hertfordshire. You can see a little bit of mist. You can also see a bit of cloud and some brightness. And if we added rain into that scenario, then we've got the weather forecast more or less spot on for today. Now, it's a chilly start across England and Wales, not as chilly across Scotland and Northern Ireland this morning because we've got a bit more cloud here with these weather fronts coming in, introducing some rain. Later, this cloud in the southeast will also produce some showery outbreaks of rain. But first of all, we've got to get rid of some low cloud and some patchy mist and fog. And that this morning is across parts of South Wales and also southern England. So if you're travelling, do take extra care. But that will lift and we'll see some brighter skies develop. But don't forget, a weather front coming in from the southeast, moving in the direction of East Wales and the Midlands, could well produce some showery outbreaks of rain almost anywhere in this area. Meanwhile, our weather front coming in across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland will also introduce some rain and quite gusty winds, particularly in the northwest. Away from all these areas and away from all those fronts, something drier and brighter with some sunny skies developing. Temperatures between 11 and 15 degrees. Now, through this evening and overnight, the front in the southeast moves further north and peps up. Rain turns heavier, and then the front coming in across Scotland and Northern Ireland sinks south. In between, where we see some breaks, some clearance in the skies, that's where we could well see some patchy mist and fog for tomorrow morning. So talking of such things, here are our two fronts. Now, this cold front heading southeast will effectively merge with this one and bump it off onto the near continent. And then we've got low pressure up to the northwest, a tight squeeze in those isobars. So here we're going to see plentiful showers, some merging to give longer spells of rain, heavy and thundery and also very windy, particularly so across the far north of Scotland. But again, for many of us, we're looking at a fair bit of sunshine around, dry weather when the mist and fog lifts. And you can see too where we've got our weather fronts continuing to push down towards the southeast, taking the rain with them, probably not clearing the far southeast until evening time. So then what we have is a battle between cold air and milder air coming up from the south, and where the twain shall meet will tell you where we might even see some snow and higher ground. So we've got this front coming in from the southwest, introducing some rain. This one in the north, bringing in some showery outbreaks of rain and strong winds, gales with exposure. So after a dry start, all this rain piles in from the southwest, bumps into the colder air, and we're likely to see some snow in the higher routes across the Pennines and the southern uplands. All of this could be disruptive, and we're also going to have strong winds across the south of England. Naga and Dan.
Thank you, Carol. Really good to talk to you this morning. We'll see you a bit later on.